Bulavinaka, ladies and gentlemen, and I welcome you to today's announcement, which is regarding the recruitment drive for the 2022 general election. Ladies and gentlemen, as you are aware, the Fijian Elections Office will be recruiting between 15,000 to 17,000 election officials to work in the next general election. Our strategy for the recruitment, as you are also aware, is that we will be recruiting people who have already worked for us in the 2018 general election, as well as those who have not worked for us before but are interested in joining the team. Therefore, we have divided the election officials recruitment program into 3 phases. The first phase is where we will be re-recording the details of officials who have worked with us in the 2018 general election. This is an online phase where staff who have worked for us previously in the last election will be able to go online to our jobs portal and enter their details so that we can get their latest updated records, such as bank details, mobile phone numbers, contact details, and even their addresses. The second phase, which will commence in January next year, will be for those who have not worked for us before. We will be making more announcements on this phase closer to January. And then, of course, there is the third phase where we will be doing recruitment in targeted areas, particularly where we do not receive enough applications or very little applications. Let's focus on the first phase. The current phase, which is for returning election officials, starts from tomorrow, the 1st of September, and will be continuing until the 15th of October. During this phase, we urge all of those who have worked for us in the 2018 general election to go online and provide us your details so that we have your most current information. Ladies and gentlemen, as I have said, the first phase is for officials who have worked for us before. However, we do not guarantee that if you have worked for us before, you will get a job. You must note that appointment of staff at the Fijian Elections Office is based on merits, and all persons who will submit their details during the first phase or apply to work for us during the second phase will undergo a merits-based assessment criteria so that we can determine and appoint those who have better merits. We will be operating, and they will be operating the polling stations in the 2022 general election. Having said that, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to focus on what is the pay that will be for the officials that will be working in the election. So presiding officers who manage polling stations will receive $420 for their work on election day. Assistant presiding officer, whose role has now been re-evaluated, will be paid $250. The polling day workers will be paid $180. We also have positions that will be made available for those who intend to participate in pre-polling. Pre-poll staff will be paid on a daily basis, and their allowance will be as follows. Presiding officer, $111 a day. Assistant presiding officer, $91 a day. Polling day workers, $72 a day. For those polling venues that have multiple polling stations, the FEO also places customer support officers called venue queue controllers, who will be paid $110 for their services on the day. More details on this are available on the Fijian Elections Office website and our Facebook pages. Ladies and gentlemen, before I conclude, I wanted to remind everyone that this is the first phase of recruitment meant for persons who have worked for us in the 2018 general election. We intend to receive their updated, most current information in our records so that they are able to be paid on time after the next election following their appointment. In order to apply, you will need to submit the following information and documents. Of course, your voter card number, a copy of your TIN letter or FRCS or FNPF joint card, a copy of your FNPF card, we just need your number actually, and your bank account details, as well as your M-Pesa, active M-Pesa details for those who wish to receive their pay on M-Pesa. Ladies and gentlemen, the recruitment drive starts tomorrow, and for any queries on the recruitment drive, we have got a number 223-6225. If you have any inquiries, you can call 223-6225 or email eofficials@feo.org.fj. This is an online recruitment that will be done on our website applicants will be able to access those details from our Facebook page. Thank you. Vinaka Vakalevu, any questions?